Benefits of a vegan diet for fighting cancer. The prevention of cancer has been the subject of many ongoing and completed research studies all over the world. It has been now well established that positive dietary and lifestyle changes can help fight cancer as well as prevent the growth of this dreaded disease. Eat more fruits and vegetables. What are some of essential components of a vegan diet to help fight cancer? To begin with, raw or cooked vegetables are a must for such a diet. Vegetables such as carrots, butternut squash, pumpkin, spinach, broccoli and sweet potatoes are all excellent sources of beta-carotene. This is a substance that offers many health benefits and has been shown to help fight cancer. It helps by strengthening the immune system and by inhibiting the growth of cancerous cells. Mango, papaya and pink grapefruit are also excellent sources of beta-carotene. In addition, tomatoes should be an integral part of a vegan diet. The lycopene found in tomatoes helps with the absorption of beta-carotene. Advertisement. Consuming vitamin C is also essential for a vegan diet for cancer prevention. Vitamin C is found in citrus fruits such as tangerine, oranges and grapefruits and in gooseberry, peppers and many more fruits and vegetables. It helps by fighting the nitrites in foods that are carcinogens and by strengthening the immune system. Cruciferous vegetables are regarded as some of the most potent foods that fight cancer. Broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, kale and mustard greens are from the cruciferous family of vegetables, including beta-carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin, and glucosinolate substances that have been shown to have cancer-fighting properties. Eat more fiber. It is now a well-known fact that fiber consumption helps in maintaining good health. But fiber in cancer patients' diet can do wonders for them. Eating fiber can specially prevent cancers of the colon and abdomen. Fiber helps move digested matter and waste material through the digestive tract with much ease. The fast elimination of all waste products including carcinogens protects the intestinal walls from coming in prolonged contact with cancer-producing substances. The faster elimination of waste material also prevents food decay in the intestines that can produce substances that cause cancer. Eat more soy. Soy products are a big part of any vegan diet. They are a healthy source of protein that can completely replace animal protein sources in a diet. Rich in isoflavones, soy protects against many tumors and cancers of the rectum, colon, prostate, lung and breast. A vegan diet consisting of all of the foods above can be a potent weapon in fighting and preventing many types of cancer. But this alone is not enough to fight cancer. Many lifestyle changes are also required, such as being active, avoiding of alcohol and smoking, adequate vitamin D from sunlight and a positive outlook. It is also best to always consult your doctor before making any diet and lifestyle changes to fight cancer.